In today's video, I'm talking about some new perfumes I've very recently added to my collection, and there is one perfume I have bought that has been on my wish list for ages. Finally, I have a bottle and I am buzzing. I'm so excited to talk about it. Hi there, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, hey, my name is Verity and I hope you're doing really well. So let's get straight to these new fragrances in my collection. I'm just going to talk about this fragrance first because I cannot contain this huge grin on my face. I'm so excited. Sospiro, Dolce, Melodia. Yes, I am so happy. If you watched my wish list video that I did recently, I talked about this fragrance and I'm grinning like a Cheshire cat because I'm so happy and ecstatic that I have a bottle of this, because it got to the point where I was getting a bit obsessed and I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I just thought, I'm just gonna treat myself one last treat before the end of the year. This is my last purchase and oh, it could not be a better one. This is sunshine and happiness in a bottle. And that may sound a little bit cliche, a bit cheesy, but genuinely, when I smell this, it makes me smile, it makes me really happy. It's such a beautiful fragrance. I love this so much. Since I purchased this, it has been very difficult not to wear this every single day. In fact, I kind of have been wearing it most days because I waited so long for this that I just want to enjoy it. I want to wear it every day. It's beautiful. This opens up very bright and juicy. You have very juicy citrus notes in here. Not only do you have those beautiful citrus notes, but you have these very creamy, very kind of sweet florals. So mixed with the citrus, you can imagine how gorgeous that smells. You have gardenia, you have jasmine. The gardenia in this actually gives a similar scent to the gardenia in Baciami. It's that very lactonic, very creamy type of gardenia. It's beautiful. It is a super sweet fragrance because you also have quite a rich vanilla note as well, and that also adds to the overall creaminess of the fragrance. But then you also get a touch of musk, you have some white musk and you have some sandalwood. This really reminds me of a very tropical, fruity smoothie because of the notes of orange and pear. There's also some blackcurrant in here. So delightful and alluring. I feel so special when I wear it. It just makes me feel really good. It smells like luxury. And I get very good projection within like the first probably 3 to 4 hours. And then it does get a little bit more kind of skin scent like. Absolutely love this one. Next up we have Liquid Brun by French Avenue. So I recently did a full review on this fragrance where I compared it to Parfums de Marly Altaïa, but it is new to my collection and I wanted to talk about it because I am actually so impressed with this perfume. This is such a lovely sweet spiced vanilla. You have those very rich indulgent notes that work beautifully at this time of year. You've got that cinnamon, the cardamom, adds that lovely little spiciness. I love the gentle orange blossom note in here as well. It's so gorgeous. Then you have the really sweet vanilla, you've got praline. It is really gorgeous. On the dry down, you really pick up that gaiac wood and that muskiness. For the price of this fragrance compared to the price tag of a Parfums de Marly, it is a bargain. It is way more affordable. I mean, the performance on it is amazing. It's super long lasting, it projects, and it's just a gorgeous, very kind of spiced, cozy, vanilla for winter. Happy to have added this to my collection. So another more recent purchase of mine is this one, Tiziana Terenzi's Andromeda. This is another fragrance that I've actually been eyeing up for quite a while. And because recently we've had all these sales happening, I just thought, I'm gonna get a bottle while I can get a good deal, because this is one that I actually really love. Recently, I've been really enjoying these quite easy reach, fresh, clean kind of scents. Andromeda for me is one of those fragrances that is such an easy reach. It's perfect for a workplace, for an office, any kind of situation where you just want to smell very clean, inoffensive, and quite feminine. It's absolutely beautiful. It has bergamot, it has a very kind of citrusy opening. You have some ylang ylang in here, you have some water jasmine. It's a very light and airy fragrance. You also have this very nice note of peach that adds this kind of juiciness to the fragrance. It is a little bit sweet. You have some vanilla in here. You also pick up a kind of slight coconutty note as well. For me, this is a very feminine, clean fragrance. It just dries down to this musky, slightly kind of soapy, luxurious smell. And I just think it's perfect for an easy reach scent. It's beautiful. So another fragrance I recently picked up for a very good deal, Mugler Over the Musk. This is a perfume that has been on my radar for a while, and I know that it's difficult to get hold of, but out here in Dubai, it has still been available in certain department stores. It's very fluffy. It's a sweet musk. That is the kind of musk that I love. When it has that sweetness, that airy, light fluffiness, that is how this smells. It smells angelic. It has that kind of soft coziness about it. This also has notes of cashmere wood. You have some ambrette, you have black pepper in here, as well as obviously the most gorgeous musk note. It doesn't smell overly spicy or anything to my nose. It's very delicately spiced. And it just gets better and better on the dry down, on the skin. It's magical. It smells really alluring, cozy, captivating, and quite a calming musk. It definitely has a calming quality. I would say it is quite an intimate scent. Although it's very long wearing and it does perform amazingly, it has a very intimate kind of scent bubble. People close to you will smell this on you. It's not going to project for miles. It's definitely a calm, cozy, intimate scent. If it is discontinued, that is genuinely a shame because it's such a lovely fragrance. Next up was actually a bit of a naughty blind buy, which is something I don't like to do, but on this occasion I did blind buy this perfume. Fursan by Khadlaj. Please excuse my pronunciation on this fragrance. It is not very good. My kids could probably pronounce this better than me because they speak some Arabic, so they usually laugh at my accent. But there is talk of Fursan being a dupe of Matière Premier's vanilla powder. That is what actually intrigued me and why I blind bought this perfume. Now, I am getting to know this fragrance. I can see similarities with vanilla powder, but I wouldn't call this a dupe for vanilla powder. It's one that I'm kind of not sure how I feel about it. I'm still kind of wearing it, getting to know it. So this is kind of like quite a lactonic, creamy kind of fragrance. Notes in this, you have bergamot and jasmine in the top. In the middle, you have coconut, musk, and almond, and base notes of vanilla, cedarwood, and nutmeg. In the opening, I don't pick up much. It smells kind of quite nondescript, very light. there isn't that much going on. But as it dries down, it gets much stronger. There's something in it that I'm not that keen on, but it's not overly sweet or anything like that. There's just something a bit sickly in it that I cannot put my finger on. So I'm not enjoying this as much as I would have hoped, but I will continue to kind of feel it out. So far, yeah, this hasn't been a massive hit for me. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know in the comments if you have also made any recent fragrance purchases. I would love to know. Also, I just have to say a really big thank you to anybody who's hit that subscribe button. I am so grateful and so blessed to have met so many amazing people through doing this channel, so thank you. Please do take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.